Yeah. Sound off to the rhythm that your heart made. Bury your head in the ground to hide your heart straight. Move the product of power to those who on the edge. Bat and rap, clean up, we need lemon pledge. Outdrink the frat house and smoke out the hippies. Bet 50, rollin', live strong and ride quickly. Y'all shit bump hardly, my shit go Harvey. Steve and Lee, Mr. Oswald at the party. Couldn't give a duck, but it's still goose in my circle. Bird to work, earth, south beach to north murder. But rap has been low, but my confidence is sky high. Fuck the rules and regulations you abide by. Jerry Lewis, Jerry Rice, Jerry Springer. Get crunk with Johnny Knoxville, rock the ringer. Retarded smoke, this is brain dead, bro. Slow-mo, yo, that's word to Terry Schiavo, though. Break it to you layman's. Sign us, you bought a zoo, that's word to Matt Damon. Broke but acting rich like a Coppola. Roller coaster, medicated, outdated kid, bipolar. Pork shoulder, honorary deuce soldier. Opening day and y'all waiting till it getting colder. The plot thick and juicy, that's word to Jesse Coulter. Vintage wear and tear, nostril, hostile provoker. Duck sandwich, dead tunes with Marv Hamlish. 8 planets, done jack that with Janet. Putting on the rinse with Mel Brooks at the wayside. You corny Mr. Belden, best bus back to Bayside. There's just something about Mary out of my locker. I keep it moving, y'all been still like Greg Parker.